Ribs, stylized as Ribs, is an American space rock/grime band based in Boston, Massachusetts. The band is fronted by guitarist and vocalist Keith Freund, while Blake Fusilier plays bass for the band and Chris Oquist plays drums. Over the years, the band has developed a DIY method of recording, mixing and releasing work, releasing all their music on their independent label, Arbitrary Music Group. Several of the band's singles have been featured in TV shows and movies, although no singles by the band have charted. The first single by the band, Silencer, was featured in the MTV show Teen Mom 2. They released a digital 2-song double A-side single, Locrian Singles, on January 25, 2011, which is available for free on Bandcamp. Most recently, the band opened for Queens of the Stone Age during the band's final leg of the Like Clockwork tour. During their career, the band has opened for several notable artists including The Joy Formidable, The Soft Moon, and White Rabbits.